Alright guys, Joe Sayambeni here on my channel, Joe Sayambeni. And today, I'm going to do an unboxing and a speed test of a new flash drive. So let's get started. Alright guys, so um, as you guys may or may not know, I currently use a little 64 gigabyte flash drive from a couple of years ago, and to transfer some files and to save some of my videos on. So it's been getting very full lately because I've been creating a lot more videos and editing videos, and then doing another video, making a mistake, editing that one, and I decided, to buy another flash drive. But before I decided the flash drive, I thought about maybe buying, like a 1 terabyte hard drive to keep, on the side for my large files. But I decided to just pick up the flash drive and maybe later on decide whether I'm gonna get a bigger drive, or maybe I'll upload it to either Google Drive or OneDrive or Amazon Cloud for the bigger files, or when my files get very numerous. So today I'm going to unbox a SanDisk Extreme Pro 3.1 USB flash drive, and let's start the unboxing. All right, guys. So this is what we're going to unbox. It's the SanDisk Extreme Pro USB 3.1 solid state flash drive, 128 gigabytes. All right, so this is going to should be way faster than my old SanDisk, which I'm going to do a benchmark test. You'll see that when I switch to my screen. So I'm hoping to get, what they say here, up to 420 megabytes per second read speeds and 380 megabytes write speeds. All right, so I'm also gonna do a test of my computer hard drive and see the speed that it transfers at, and then I'll do this, and I'll do my SanDisk thumb drive that I have that I've been using. All right, so let's unbox this thing. All right, so I'm gonna get my trusty scissor and cut this right here. Piece of tape. Put my trusty scissor down. And I don't know why a lot of people do these unboxing videos, but what the hell? Why not? I'll do one. And we're gonna unbox it. And there it is in a nice little plastic container here. And there's a free download exclusive offer for our valued SanDisk customers. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. Let's open it up. All right. Take it out here. And look at this. In the box, I thought this was plastic, but this is metal. A metal surrounding. And it clicks very nice. Spring, and a tough spring too, so when you push it into the computer, you're not going to have an issue here. It's got the little key ring right there, so you can put if you want to put it on your keys or around your neck. But this feels pretty solid, to be honest with you. All right, let me just see real quick what this download is. And 1 year subscription of Rescue Pro Deluxe Recovery Software. I don't know what that is, but I'll check it out when I get a chance. So we'll put this on the side. We'll put this box on the side. What an unboxing, huh, guys? And this looks like it's well made. Now, I paid under $40 for this. All right, I'm going to leave a link for Amazon below in the description. But I only paid around $40 for 128 gigabytes. And if the speeds are what they say it is, or they are, I would be pretty impressed. All right, so we're going to benchmark everything. So I'm going to go to my screen right about now. All right, guys. So I'm going to test this out on my software that is from ATTO Disk Benchmark. Okay, so I said I was going to test my hard drive on my computer, which I did. These tests run a little long, so I'm going to leave a link for ATTO Disk Benchmark. So just so you know, these were the read and write speeds, or the write and read speeds, for my actual hard drive on my computer, my Asus VivoBook. And you could see we almost got up to 1 gigabyte per second. But if you see, we were getting easily 900 megabytes per second for write and reading, 1.7, 1.5, 1.5, 1.6 gigabytes. So a very fast drive compared to when a flash drive. So now, the flash drive that I was originally using, that I'm going to be transferring the files to the new SanDisk, I did that benchmark earlier. So let's go there and get that one out of there. Right here. So that was only doing, which is still pretty good, 58, 37, 35, 35 megabytes per second. Okay? And on the reading side, 130 megabytes per second. Okay? So this is the benchmark which I'm hoping we easily beat my old flash drive. And on this test, I just kept the same type of sizes, file sizes, and stuff like that. So now I'm going to test my new SanDisk Extreme Pro. Okay, so let's get that going. Let me open up a new benchmark app here. Alright, so it's the G drive. Same exact variables. Now I had this in the other G drive before I put in, I've had the old SanDisk in my drive before I put in the new SanDisk. So just ignore that right there, but this is going to be the test right in the middle. Alright, so let's start that test. And it may take a while, so while it's taking a while, I'll just talk a little bit more. Alright, so let it test. Alright, so while it's going in progress, I'm going to be transferring some files, some movie files or MP4 videos that I created from before, a couple of months back. I'm going to transfer them from my hard drive to my new SanDisk flash drive. So that'll be another test that I'm going to do. And right now, as this test is running, I am just looking at the amounts. So 53 on, and so it's going to be significantly faster. But will it get to the speeds that were on the box? Up to 420 megabytes per second read speeds and up to 380 megabytes per second write speed. And it's in a 3.0 USB on my computer. So it's plugged in a 3.0. So let's see how we're going. And it looks like it's, I mean, even this is still impressive, more impressive than this. So I think it's, let's see how high it gets. So this is the read The read should be up to 420. I don't know if it's going to get to 420, but it's not bad. And the write should be up to 380. 339, 368. Well, we're doing pretty good here. I think it's going to be pretty impressive, to be honest with you. I'm impressed. Look at this read. Not bad. And the real test will be when I transfer the files. See how quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer a whole folder. So what I'm going to be doing, let that load up there. I'm going to be transferring the whole photo of this whole folder. And this is going to be 996 megabytes, so almost 1 gigabyte. All right, that I'm going to be transferring over to my my SanDisk. All right, let this test continue. And so, while the test is continuing, I hope to figure out. Actually, what I want you guys to do is in the comments below is let me know whether or not I should get a 1 or 2 terabyte external drive, or should I use the clouds of either Amazon, Microsoft, or Google, or even another service. I'm very curious of you guys' opinions, and if you do think I should go with an external, this is a Windows system, a Windows machine, so I don't have a Mac. It's not a Mac. So in the comments below, let me know what your favorite external hard drives are and what your favorite cloud drives are, whether it's OneDrive, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Google, or Dropbox, or something else. I'm just curious what you guys are using out there for storing your videos, or your heavy videos, or your photographs. All right, the test is done. Okay, and here we go. This is pretty impressive. We got a lot of 400s on the read side, and 370s, 360s on the right side. And the box said for the right side up to 380, and for the read up to 420. So I'm impressed. So now let's do the transfer. Let me get back to this folder here. Let's go here. Let me open the actual hard drive here, which is right here. And we're going to open this folder. Okay, so I'm going to go into this folder, actually copy all of these, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to bring it over to the SanDisk. Let's see how long it takes. That's impressive. I must admit, that's pretty quick. There you go. There's the test. So I'm actually pretty happy with this SanDisk. And please, guys, I'm going to summarize it on the camera. But let me get off this screen, and I'll come back on the camera. All right, guys, there you go. So there you go. That's the unboxing, the little test of the SanDisk Extreme Pro flash drive, 128 gigabytes. And I got to tell you, I was pretty impressed with the speeds, read and write, and the fact that it has a metal. It's like a metal flash drive. So it's pretty impressive. 128 gigs, so it should last me a while with my videos. But what I really want to know is your comments about down below about what hard drives, external, cloud, or flash, or anything you guys are using, because I actually want to know, because eventually I'm going to need to get more hard drive space, whether it be on the cloud or an external hard drive. So please, guys, let me know in the comments below. All right, and if you like the video, of course, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, and let that algorithm work for me. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm going to say goodbye. So goodbye.